The red carpet kit was really created to up your brow game. It could be a late night party, a red carpet event, or a night out. It is a perfect kit to make you look like a star. I pigmented brow pomade. It comes in 3 different shades. An angled brush on one side and a spoolie on the other. I take a bit of brow pomade and draw a line from the center of the brow to the tip. So you can build or define or redefine the shape as you want, lightly filling in. I'm not using too much of the product. This product is highly pigmented. It is sweat-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof. You can use the spoolie side of the brush so that the product is uniformly spread out. The second step is to use the BrowLights. So it has 2 sides to the pencil, the shimmer and the matte. So I'm going to start with the matte side of the pencil. I'm going to draw a line, a fine line, just beneath her brow line and blend it in. Then I take the shimmery side of the pencil and put a little bit of shimmer on the brow bone. I use my fingers to blend it in. So third and the final step is using the Brow Gel Mascara. Brow Gel Mascara comes in clear. This gel holds the brows in place. Perfect high definition brows for that special night.